welcome to another Transformers review, and also a throwback Transformer. We're taking a look at Transformers Dark of the Moon Autobot Ratchet from the Dark of the Moon line, came out in 2011. So here we are, and here he is. There's no packaging whatsoever, but there he is, and his little mech tech weapon. We'll show you that first, but here you go. Just nice detail around the gun. Use it with a lot of mech tech weapons back in the day. There's your gimmick. Saw blade comes out. Yeah, little mech tech weapon. So here we have Ratchet in his vehicle mode. And he's got lots of details right here. Some white paint going across, and then it's got Find Rescue E4 inside. Search and Rescue with the Autobot symbol. It's nice, clear. Some silver paint, some orange paint for the indicators. Green translucent plastic. Back, these wing shields the back. Red lines, some white paint. Same inside is the top bit. Here's a little port for the mech tech weapon, so your storage for vehicle mode, which looks ridiculous. That, and then also I tried over here, so it just goes into the tire because it's got a nice little port, nice little tight port right there. So yeah, that's your storage there. Nice red paint on there. Tire molded on. So there's the top, side, bottom. It's got visible hand and visible head see-through. So yeah, for comparison for the first time now, here's with Studio Series Bumblmeister. So see them compared, just about the size of that. Obviously with space, it's now nice and agile with height difference as well, which is good for Studio Series. You can actually compare them to an old, yeah, so there you go. Good. Some of the Dark and Moon family. So now and he also rolls as things should roll, so hooray for rolling. And so I think it's time for transfer. I think first thing to do first is to take these panels and take them out. Next bit is to take this backpack, put that up, and leave it side notch now. And then next up, just fold these legs out, just like that, and then take his foot, twist it around, and like so, and leave just as an angle like that. Same first, and second. Twist it around, like so, nice and flush. So next up is to take out the hands. So you can actually take out this. You can take this. Here we go. Take that out. Take that out. And then next, we will get a bit more viewing angle. There we go. So next up would be twisting the bonnet around, like so, and flipping it down like that. And then you want to take the head, and actually first you want to take the chest plate, twist it around as well, like so. Put that down. And this piece can fold out like so. And then next up, just take the arm, fold it out. So take this piece, put that out like that, put that out like that, take it in like that. And there's no something like that. Second, stretch it out, put it back into your click, and you fold in the tire like so, and there we go. Straighten out the legs first, and just the head round. You can see that nice sculpted face with light piping, as you can see. And we'll just take this and see that little, just that little, I'll try and see if I can get something to point it at. See that little green post-it there? That's going to go, and I'll just flip up the backpack, and that little tab, that little spot right there, and I'm pinching with, that gets put in there, like so. You want to fold this up first, and then like so it's all tabbed in. And are we done? Are we done? Yes, wee. So yeah, so here is now Autobot Ratchet in his robot mode. And yeah, he's a nice little figure. Deluxe class, of course, and I'm pretty sure they came out with a Voyager class, which I'm not even going to bother getting, because this is fine for me, because he perfectly skews with the Bumblmeister. Yes, he perfectly skews with the Bumblmeister, which don't have transformed, but I will get transformed. So yeah. So yeah, he's got a nice little head sculpt right there. He hasn't got a nab crunch. He can't turn his waist, so he's got no ab crunch. He has a 90-degree bend, that's due to transformation. And he's got wiggly movement on the feet. And he's got ankle tiltage as well. His arms can do the full 180, and his arms can't go out, so he can't do that. And his legs can do the splits, like so, but my copy, it's very loosely, because I got it used from Vinted. He's got wiggly movement on the head, and 90-degree on the arm, and also 90-degree, maybe half a degree on the elbow, or on the arm, main arm bit. That's due to transformation also as well. So yeah, just trying to get him to stay up is proving difficult, because it's on my bed rather than an actual place to put it on. I'll just put him down for just now, but yeah, I don't know. Good little Autobot Ratchet. I really do like it. The price I paid for it, I'm happy enough that it didn't get swindled out. It wasn't that expensive really. It was probably literally the same price as you would normally get Transformers back in the day, which was about £10 to £12. Well, transform Bumblebee real quick. So, moving Ratchet along, let's just take a look at Ratchet and all these nice details. So obviously he has his head sculpt, and also he's got clear piping, as with the old Transformers. So all these clear piping can see through. Again, nice details with that. And yeah, he's got a bit of a backpack kibble right there. Right now, so I just don't know which way is best, just for that. So yeah, so that's basically what it looks like from the back. So all that back cable. But yeah, like I said with my coffee's got like floppy legs and that. The arm joints are fine. It's just the leg, just this leg, and not so much this leg, but this leg. It's got a limp leg. A limp leg. Yeah. So yeah. So for comparison, we actually now have Bumblebee all transformed. He is with Bumblebee. So obviously, size, very nice. Very nicely done. Actually, let's just put him up here with my little model kit thing. Yes, I was doing model kits for some time until it got boring. So I'm just trying to stand him up properly.
Sorry if I've just triggered every single person. I didn't quite mean to do that, but Christmas is 90 days away. Like, how are we at the stage where we've gone full circle and we're already 90 days away? Yeah, I feel like every single person listening to this, if you have different speakers right now, is like, what?
Right. So I'm just taking like that, and there you go. There's your little size comparison with Bumblebee and Ratchet from Dark of the Moon. So, only comparison of a Dark of the Moon figure, which is Studio C's Bumblebee. And for his weapon of choice, like I said, he's got that Mech Tech back in 2011. So here you can plug it into any side, of course, with these arms. And then you can plug into this, like so. Dropping it like that. So, plug in. Oh, there we go. There you go. You can now go pew pew bang bang, pew pew bang bang, pew pew bang bang. And also you can saw. You can slice. And obviously you can put it the other way. Just fit in the other way. There you go. Now you can pew pew bang bang and saw any other way. So yeah. So there you go. And obviously this is gonna be a first for me. I'm gonna try this, of course. I'm gonna try and do transformation back into vehicle mode. Because I didn't do that last time with Bumblebee. So this is gonna be the first. So what you do is you first take up this, flip his face backwards, and you just take the front section like that, like so. And then you flip this backwards. Here we go. And next, you just flip these up, just out of the way. We'll sort them out later on. Next up, you crack his foot backwards, completely hurting his foot. You flip his backpack and just leave that for now. And then you just do this. Just right, here we go. Okay, this is a little bit much better. So then, see this tab right here? It's tabbed into this slot right there where my finger is. On the back of his foot. His foot can, there we go. Orientate, there we go. Alright. And then you just and then you just flip this section back to where it is, and just make sure that's nice and snug. Just make sure that's nice and snug. And like I said, this panel does flip out. It doesn't lock in properly. So same as the first. Just do that, and then do like this. Make sure that's orientated perfectly. There we go. And then just flip that. And you should hear a little tabbing in. So there we go. Just put that back in. And then get this back section all nice and neat and tabbed in. And you hear that nice tabbing in. There we go. So now I've got that done. So that's the back section done. So now it is the front section. So next up, just take this, flip his. Actually, no, you need to flip this around, and that around. So, and then next up, you just turn this, flip that around into vehicle mode, and then you just take his arm and you just flip it around, turns like that. And then what you do here is you just right, put that in. It's gonna have soft rubber plastic, so you just put that all in. Make sure it's nice and snug, nice and tabbed in like that. Your happy tabs in. There you go. Same as the first. There you go. Very easy transformation. This is like one of the easiest transformations that, other than Bumblebee. Bumblebee, obviously, I had to look up a review because obviously the instructions weren't clear enough. So yeah. That's all tabbed in. And then we have Autobot Ratchet in his robe, in his vehicle mode. And just put that down a bit so you can see clearly. There we go. There we go, back in his robot. I'm saying robot mode. I'm saying vehicle mode. So yeah. So as he's back in his vehicle mode, and his little weapon, which I don't really care. So I'm just going to quickly transform Bumblebee, just so we can get the group shot. Well, 2 group shots. We'll be getting Prime soon. I have, like I said in the Batmobile, the Tumblr review, I have found third-party transformers for a good price. Like I said, they are unfortunately they are knockoffs, but they're at a good price. They still use the same mold and that, so it's not like. So yeah, but I don't know. Like Autobot Ratchet, he does have a Studio Series one, so I will be comparing Autobot Ratchet from movie 1 with the Dark of the Moon one. Like I say, I know Bumblebee's transformation off by heart now. Honestly, off by heart. That's one thing I like about going back into Transformers, is that is the thing of you knowing how to transform it, other than a Lego set. Which, don't get me wrong, I'm still doing the Lego reviews and that. It's just gonna. There we go. So for the group shot, one group shot so far with Bumblebee and Ratchet. Obviously Ratchet having more what's the word? More experience in the field. He is literally the leader for just now until I get Prime, and then Bumblebee will be taking the sidelines. But yeah, so that is Autobot Ratchet from Dark of the Moon back in 2011, and like I said, neat little Transformer. I don't know if it is actual Studio Series or if it's Mech Tech, and someone just added in the Mech Tech for no reason and just put it for £8. And yeah, I like it. I really like it. I really like this Transformer. I really like it. So yeah. So if you like this review, there will be other more Transformers reviews coming in the near future. But yeah, and like, comment, and subscribe for more of like this, and more Lego reviews and more unboxings. I was trying to do an unbox, but it was already opened before I even knew it came today. So yeah, so see you next time. Peace.